Understanding dead tired, more than just tiredness. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we will dive into a common English expression that you might have heard before, dead tired. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it correctly. To fully grasp the meaning of dead tired, we first need to understand the individual words. Dead. This typically refers to the end of life or the cessation of all biological activities. However, in many phrases, dead is used as an intensifier to mean completely or absolutely. Tired, feeling the need to rest or sleep. So, putting the words together, we might think it means completely tired or absolutely tired. And you're right, but there's more to it. In English, we often use the term dead as an exaggeration to emphasize the degree of something. In the case of dead tired, it doesn't mean someone is literally dead, but rather they are extremely exhausted. They feel so tired that they can't imagine being more tired than they currently are. It's a way to communicate extreme fatigue. Examples: after running the marathon, I was dead tired. I stayed up all night working on the project, and now I'm dead tired. It's always useful to see a phrase used in various sentences. Here are some examples. 1. I didn't get any sleep on the plane, so I'm dead tired now. 2. She worked 3 shifts in a row. No wonder she's dead tired. 3. If you're dead tired, it's important to get some rest for your health. Knowing synonyms is helpful as it can enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms for dead tired include exhausted, worn out, beat, drained. And there we have it. The next time you hear someone say they're dead tired, you'll know that they're expressing a deep sense of fatigue. It's amazing how language can use words in non-literal ways to convey strong emotions or states. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.